Today I will show you how to make comments in Figma. So on the left side we can see we have many options, and at the end of these options we have add comments, or we can use shortcut button C. So we click comments and we click anywhere on the design we want to make a comment. So I will just make it next to this word comments, and you can add a comment. This is a comment, and you click enter, and that's it. Now what you can do is you can reply to this comment, and you have multiple options to copy link or delete this thread. And if you want to hide these comments, for example, there can be many people who add lots of comments, and if you want to hide them from your design, what you need to do is you need to click here, settings, and click hide comments, and that's it.